Well, I came a long time ago here. When I found the place, I really liked the way it's done here because you have the lake and the Alps behind, and you know, for living it's just an amazing place. And also it was very convenient for me for training, and one of the biggest priority was the privacy. So here you can get a private life and enjoy your time. Well, normally I do training with my bicycle. Also I go to the gym. If it's winter, I go a lot to cross country. And also I like to use the lake, and I like to windsurf a lot. So when it's nice weather and it's windy, I come here and get some fun. You are here like one more, and you can enjoy your time and do whatever. Not feeling like a completely stranger if the people is looking at you or something like this. So that's something I could experience also with some other famous people are around, and they are also enjoying the same. Falla nunca.